house and bought a bunch of land, and now gave all the land to the kids. So Peter got this, and when his dad got this farm, each kid, when they were born, the umbilical cord is planted under one of the trees.
Wow.
All right, so this is the whole family right here. There's like 9 of them, right? So yeah, his dad German, and you look around, there's just fruit trees everywhere. There's some mangoes right there. I think we could pick some of those, right? There's some ripe ones on there. What kind of mangoes are that? Do you know? Is that black mango? Stringy. Stringy? It's like the original type of mango, so it has a lot of strings in it, right? So if you don't have it too thick, it might, you know. But it's really good, really sweet, full of flavor. So we're gonna pick some of those. You want to pick some? Remember? You want to go? You're going up there?
Yeah. Have you not learned on the motivation?
Oh, he's gonna yeah, he's gonna take. But if you walk too long, like up here, to get like a better view, you can. Or you can, you know.
Sofa, sorry, jump sofa, da?
What's my ball jumpers?
You throwing them down?
Is it? Oh, oh my goodness!
Here, hold on, I'm gonna come catch them.
How the hell did you get up there so fast?
That was fast. How you move that quick?
Wait for
Jumbo, that's crazy. What? What do you mean what's going on? Did you write one?
Good ones up there, too.
Some mangoes.
Yo, hand them. Through this farm tour, as we go, I'm going to ask you guys a few questions about what type of tree you guys think it is. Try to look up and always look at the fruit, you know, or look at the leaf.
Everybody got it?
Who didn't get a
Sophie,
belly?
you got one?
Orange?
Purple.
Who said pink?
I'm going with pink.
White?
White.
And the color is...
Is it white?
Boom.
It's white. Ding, ding, ding.
Kind of yellow.
Trying to be pink.
It's yellow. It's yellow inside. So this one's kind of not as ripe. Yeah. So we're gonna take these back home.
Yeah, take a little
We'll let
tree.
it sit for a day.
Take a little tree. No. Put it in your pocket.
We're gonna say yellow. A little bit more yellow. Oh. Does anyone know what these are?
Sugar cane.
You guys want to try it?
Yes, please.
Yes. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Don't know what it is.
Absolutely.
Right.
This fat one has salt. I like jumbo. With the fruit and veg done better. Jumbo not easy. Show me yourself.
Can always be useful.
Top of the circle. So this year can bring out like a whole other plant like this.
Oh, if you plant it?
Yeah. So you just clean off these leaves. Do like that, and you just do like anywhere in the herb.
Love it.
We plant it.
With the same machete, I love it.
So you need a shovel?
I love that.
There you go. Handel, come do a sugar cake.
Make me a tree. Just like that. Wow.
Slice one up for them. Just cut it in 4s at the top and just let everyone break a piece up.
Chew it, squeezes all of the juice out.
I taught them how to do this stuff, by the way.
Really?
What? Y'all don't believe me?
By delegation, you
Teach us
mean?
as well.
Maybe.
Yo, they want you
If the
guys to see
teacher
it. They want to see it,
that
bro.
is.
They always like to hyper in camera.
A memorable moment.
What's that noise?
Break that other half now.
Birds or no crickets? I think
No, listen. Yeah.
the wind disturbed them.
Break it. Snap. Yep.
Love it.
What about if you put it in for?
Moving.
Put off the
Kind of creepy. Too robotic for me.
Oh, thank you.
Next up, sugar cane.
Sugar cane?
Who wants sugar cane?
Don't chew on the knuckle. See the knuckle? Anyone want to try it? Yep.
It's like where it starts and stops.
They want to try. Cut when it's in the back.
You can break your teeth that part, I think.
Hmm?
Right? It's too hard.
It's very hard. Some people chew on it.
Yeah.
In the back.
Yeah. Come on.
Hold it, no, just hold it. Just hold it in your hand. Hold the whole thing. Yeah? Hold it. Hold it firm.
Howard.
Yes, Howard, like a champ.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You want to keep the guavas?
Huh?
You want to keep the guavas?
Yeah.
Oh, cuz,
Thank you.
bring a piece of your piece.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. We got another beautiful herb right here. Prince, come take this right here.
Mm.
Do you?
What's your color?
Jumbo.
Your
Oh,
favorite.
she didn't get yet.
It does look similar.
Here, I have.
You want that cut in the middle?
Well
Eyes
done.
in the
Go
baking.
ahead.
Well done. My heart was about to break. Thank you.
No, I know how much
This
you want.
fresh fruit from the earth.
You know how traumatized I would have been?
We call it French time in Jamaica.
The reflexes of a Japanese ninja. I like
Prince.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
I want everyone to come smell this. There you go. Press that herb up and smell it. Press that herb up and smell it. Press that up and smell it. Press that up and smell it.
What variety of time is this?
Cuban oregano, or we call it French thyme. We call it French thyme in Jamaica. So really crush it up. This helps with your memory.
Respect.
Helps with your
I mean,
you can, but you can make tea with it, or we season with it. We cook with it.
come on.
Yeah.
Peter's Farm.
I'm gonna sprinkle some coconut oil in there. Go on, steam down some more. Not yet. You know what? Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit over this.
Sprinkle.
No.
Sprinkles.
Oh.
Hold up, man.
No.
Fire, boy. This gonna take like 15 minutes to like fully, you know, cook that. Now we got the stew.
Yeah, bubble quick.
Bubble quick. No, we can test him on to go on. Sauce.
Huh?
You know the sauce on this. Watch.
That being good.
That's the okra on it. That's the okra on it.
No, the upper can in the shot.
May add some more water. Slow them to cook a little bit. Not even need that.
Oh shit.
This done now, so this can just. Yo, get a video of that plate that you got. That was mine. Put in your plate for the plate. You need to come on in the sun. All the fire.
The first one
I don't know how these red ants are surviving, but they're just around, just living life like nothing's happening. Chill.
Yeah, we don't want to press it on.
A picture? Look up on that.
What's okay? What's okay on it too?
Put the pumpkin up.
See there? Yo, you can see me? You wanna record real quick?
I have bare oil on my hand, but oil upon.
Oh shit. Alright, bush cooking and bush eating. We're at Peter's farm right now, and we eating natural food. We literally just picked every single thing that we have in my hand. I don't know if you can see it, but I tried to show it in the previous seconds of the video. But this is how we eat. Jamaica. Lord
Real
knows.
life. Real Jamaica. Not tucked away in the resort with a bush. A chopped fruit.
Yes.
Chopped plantain.
Yes.
Plantain a fry eye.
Yes.
Okra fry eye.
Yes.
Stew a bubble up.
Bubble.
Jerk mushrooms, the bonfire.
Mushroom.
And we have pumpkin. I have everything.
There,
I'm
pumpkin.
going to yam this in a banana leaf. Not plate. Just shit finger and a banana leaf. Real life. Remember me tell you.
Mama tell you. Yes. Yeah.
I already